Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, don't make this your last time, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you do that. Yeah, today is Saturday and that means reset Saturday. I'm about to clean and put the house in order to prepare for a very fresh new week starting from on Sunday tomorrow. So yeah, and I'm listening to a podcast too. This is quite loud, I'm sure you can hear, but yeah, that's that. Cleaning the house, and also I'm getting my nails done today because this is embarrassing. Come on, Thelma, this is I'm getting it done. Somebody's coming to the house today to get them done by 12, and the time right now is 10, so I need to hurry and finish everything I want to do first before the person comes to fix my nails here. This is really embarrassing, huh? I'm done cleaning. I just made myself a very tall huge coffee that I'm about to drink right now. So my nail appointment was for 12, but she wrote me and said she'll not be able to make it, that she's sorry, that she'll come by 1. So that's not a problem. At least it will give me more time to get ready. It's 11:38 right now, so I need to take my bath and eat before she starts coming. So it's for my own good, lateness. I have options that I need. I'll put it on the screen. This is the one I want. I really like this one more. Done bathing. I'm about to go and make something really light to eat before she comes. The time. Done with my nails and I love it so much. It's exactly what I wanted, but I wish this love heart thing was a little bit bigger. But this is so cute. I don't know about you, but I feel it's nice. So cute. Good morning you guys. So it's the next day and I'm about to do my skincare and makeup. What's up guys? So today is Tuesday, not the next day. Yesterday I was not really in the mood to pick up my camera, so not really in the mood, but there was nothing to show you guys yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. Mondays are normally just boring for me. So yeah, there was nothing to show, so I did not pick up my camera yesterday. So I hope you guys are doing fine. I was on TikTok yesterday and I kept seeing devastating news from left, right, everywhere, but I just pray you're safe. I hope, you know, even though the country is going like this, I pray God provides for you and keep your family safe. Scary stories outside everywhere. Yeah, so that's that. I want to go and get sheet marks and some skincare products for my friends and family, because my auntie just told me to look for one sunscreen for her that she did not see there. So I will go and look for it today. And also 2 days ago, my friend Divine, you all saw her during the vlogmas, she said I should get her sheet marks, the one she used when she came. So I'm going to get it for her today. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me. Just got ready. See, since I made my hair, I've always wanted to tie it up like this, because I think this was one of the styles that I saw that made me even pick this twist, wanting mini twist, a big goddess twist. I don't know, but this was one of the styles I saw on Pinterest that made me want to make it, and I finally tied my hair like this. So how do I look? I think this thing is supposed to be like up here. Oh, this is still fine. This is still good. Yeah. I made this teddy. I don't know if I've shown you guys in my previous video, because right now I have so many videos that I've not even edited. So I made this myself. It is so cute, guys. I'm scared to post me making it. I made it from an old stockings. I'm scared to post it because these days all my DIYs on TikTok are not really doing that good. So I'm really scared to post it. I don't want people to insult me, but I'm still going to post it, sha. I'll find the courage and post it. But this cute teddy, I made it from an old stockings. Is it cute? Do you like it? Let me know. But yeah, that is one. I also made this one to this flower. I already posted this one on TikTok, sha. Yeah, I'm also making another frame DIY that will complete later. I ran out of rhinestones to add to it, so immediately I will complete it. But this is so cute. I really like it. What do you think? So I just got home, and when I was there in Miniso, I saw this cute little waffle maker. So cute, but it was only the display one that was there. I think they don't have it in stock. So yeah, maybe whenever I go there again and they have it in stock, I'm going to get a waffle maker. It was so tiny, cute. But it's so small, you can only make one at a time. I wish it was like double sets, make 2 at a time. So this is everything I got from Miniso. Also, I got cat food. These ones were enough for Miniso, but I saw these gummies that, you know, I wonder how it tastes. Gummy candy, this one. Let me try one. Super chewy and too sugary, but so for Miniso, the first thing I got is this purse. I got it for my auntie. Her birthday is this month, so I bought lots of things for her. I'll add them into the purse if they can even fit. So because the things I got for her, yeah, they are sharp, but I'm not sure they will fit in here. But I got this purse for her. Also, I bought this wireless Miniso for Henry. I bought one for him last year. He really likes it, and he said, oh, in case you see this type again, please get it for me. This wireless mouse is definitely going to like it. I'll add it to his Valentine's gift. Then I bought this tiny perfume for my auntie, and also this tiny one too for somebody else. I wish I can just open it and see how it is inside. And also this perfume. Okay, I can open this one. I don't know who I'm giving this to, but or should I even take this one? It smells like somebody I know from my school days. I don't know, but it smells very, very familiar. And the last thing I bought, a bunch of sheet masks. I bought for my friend and my auntie. My friend told me to buy for her. I'll send it to her. I just showed Henry the mouse. He said, Thelma, you're an unpaid ambassador for Miniso, unpaid one. He said, because I'm always going to Miniso, I'm buying things for Miniso. Oh my goodness, unpaid ambassador for Miniso. That is what I am right now. It's really funny. But anyways guys, today's video is on the short side. I'm so sorry, nothing really special is happening, so there's nothing to vlog, and I don't want to waste your data or your time watching me just sitting there. So today's video is very short, but I really hope you enjoyed today's video guys. Do not forget to like, leave a comment down in the comment section, share with your friends and family if you can, and also subscribe if you're new. Please join the family, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much again for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.